it's here. The Arctic Blast. The fill in whatever name the news wants to call it is arrived. And it's a cold son of a gun. Temps drop down to right around 20, upper teens, 20s. It dropped within, I mean, just within an hour. I mean, within minutes, it dropped, 25, 30 degrees. Shannon went and dropped off deer heads and picked up deer heads. But she also got us an extra bale of straw. I'm gonna take this down to the pig, and I'm gonna see if I can fashion up some kind of a little bit of a better wind block for her. So we have no way to bring her in or do anything like that. So she's just gonna have to, she's gonna have to make it. But we're gonna try to do our best for her. So I'm gonna carry this down there and then kind of see what we got. So we'll see y'all down there. Joys of raising animals in the winter time. What does Skylar see over there? Skylar see something. What the heck is that? Something blew up over here. What the heck that is? Oh wow. Hey, old girl. Staying warm. Here, hold on before you open it. Switching places when you get on the other side of you. Okay, now.
The pig doesn't seem mad. Gonna be coming out of the north like all day.
Yeah.
So
she's blocked pretty well.
She's got it bad.
Oh my gosh.
Snowball fight.
Oh my gosh, y'all. It is dangerously cold out there. My fingers, Reed, did your fingers not get cold?
Nope.
Man.
I was out there for 3 hours today. How close do you think you can get it before it hurts?
I can smell hair burning, so.
Oh, ow.
So I'm gonna go back down there once I warm my hands up. My hands, I mean, I wasn't out in that for more than, I don't know, 5 minutes. My fingers got really cold. I mean, these are not really like gloves to keep you warm, but I figured they'd do better than they did. My freaking hands got cold. The rest of my body's pretty warm. I got long johns and stuff on, but I'm gonna warm my hands up, and I'm gonna go back down there in that little board that we use, this pushing board for like when we load the pigs up. I'm gonna screw that to the side of her little lean-to there, and I tucked a bunch of straw in the back side of all the cracks and stuff where any air can get through. And she seemed pretty warm. I mean, she's got, since we've had her, she's put on a lot of weight and has a lot of hair, so I think she's good. But boys are watching a movie in there, and it was playing a Marty Robbins song. Any of y'all know who Marty Robbins is? It was playing El Paso. I listened to that song about 1,000,000 times when I was a kid. Love that song. Love all. I mean, I had Marty Robbins was way before my time, but I had a lot of his records, or tapes and stuff growing up. So, all right, I'm gonna get me some 3-inch screws. 4 will do. And I gotta find a drill. Sit y'all down for a minute. Alright. Drill bit. Drill. Shanna had to got back from picking up deer heads and then had to drop Sarah off, and now she just got back. Do you want to do this and let me go take care of the pig?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you got a little hole in there. All dead, couple all dead.
Yeah.
You probably should put those on first and then put these on over them because those are bigger. I already unlocked this for you, but I don't know. You're gonna have to put. So I don't know how you're gonna keep it open. Why don't you come down here and help me, and then I'll go. Then I can help you. I mean, I don't know how you're gonna keep this thing open. I guess you can just open it every time.
In and out of the truck.
Anyway, I'll be right back. See if we can get her something fashioned up on the other side. Yeah, our old pig, one of our other pigs we had during Snowmageddon, we kept her alive, but it was a little bit different situation. And she was a lot smaller, and we were able to build a little enclosed little like house for her, and then put the heat lamp in there, and it was in a way where she couldn't knock it down. And this pig will knock it down. She's as big as she is now. So, but I'm gonna see if I can somehow maybe screw that board up there. That's gonna give her 3 sides to keep the wind off of her. And then like I said, I put some straw in there. I may put a little bit more, so. Water's already frozen, so I'm gonna go down here and help Shanna unload deer heads, and then one of us will come back down here and give her some fresh water. If y'all watch one of our recent videos, I hung a little bucket down there we can water her out of for now. So we're gonna go give her some water as soon as I warm my hands up again. I gotta get some better gloves. What kind of gloves do y'all use? Y'all people live up north, tell me.
Yeah.
Because
this only happens every once in a while, but
yeah.
you
I need to buy some. I need to clean my camera lens off. It's super wet.
No, it's me. Why?
People, there's a gas company. People probably stocking up on propane.
Where's the rest of them?
They may already be in there. We're trying to catch the chickens and put them. Keep them going to that corner. Keep them going to the corner.
You're a jerk. Trying to help you. Skylar.
If we'd have thought about it, we just wouldn't let them out this morning.
Well, the coop opened at 6:30. So.
That's what I'm saying. We should have went out there and go to your right. There we go. Got one.
Trying to help you.
All right. I can't video and get the other one, so it's all on you. Ah!
I'm gonna push her back up towards the coop.
Well, here, yeah, let's watch your head.
No.
Just leave her. Let's go put these up. The other ones are either in here or underneath the shed.
Well, if they're out,
Yeah, go look in there.
close the coop.
Yeah,
Let me see if I can.
go look in there. Look in there and see if they're in there. Here's some.
There's one. You're gonna have to go close that gate.
Right there.
Come here. Come on. Come on, chickens. Big Red's gonna be a pain in the butt to try to catch. Come on, chicken.
All right, y'all. Y'all saw me video closing that flipping door over there, and I guess it must have opened back up on its own. It's designed to be open this time of day, so all the chickens came out. So we're not gonna fight that battle anymore. They can go in there if they want to. If they don't, that's on them. All right, I've got that piece of plywood we bought for the house.
Yeah.
I'll put it back behind here. So.
Here, I'll come help you. I was just calling to see our pest control is coming. And he's so sweet. He's been how long has he been the pest guy for us? 15 years? He's like, I was just calling to see if y'all need anything special. I was like, no, go home. Like, don't even come out here. It's ridiculous.
So we had this piece of particle board left over from a house project, so we put it on, this is the north side. The wind's blowing from that direction, so it'll block it. Got the pig water, hoping the silkies will go back inside there once we leave. I guess we left Skylar out there. So, everybody's watered. We'll keep watering them throughout the day. Got the windbreak for everybody. That's about it. It's actually a work day, so I'm on my lunch break. I'm about to go back and work. Shannon's got plans with the boys later, so we'll catch up with y'all here in a little bit. Well, the front has pushed on through. If you looked outside, except for the ice on the window, you'd think it's a nice warm day out there. If you think that, joke's on you. It's not. Get my phone here and we'll see what the temperature is. So it is a steamy 13 degrees. It's chilly. Actually, I'm working from home today, and I was working out in my office, and everybody left this afternoon. Shannon and the kids had something to go do, so I came inside just so it's warmer in here. And we have faucets dripping, but the kids' bathroom, went to turn the hot water on, nothing came out. So I went around and turned their the hot water faucet for their tub on, and it kind of like trickled, and then some like ice came out. That's not good. It's really early in the day for that to be happening, and it's going to get a whole lot colder tonight. So we went down earlier, did a few things, didn't video, but I'm gonna go back down there, check water, do all that kind of stuff. Shannon and I had to go into town to run some last minute Christmas errands, so we'll get everything done before then, and then when we get back, it'll be dark, but we'll go out there one more time and check on everybody. So let's go. Come on. Gabs, come on. Gabby, come on. Yeah. Psh. Psh. One of the things we did while we were down here not videoing is got the silkies put up. I don't know why, but they were not up here out of the wind. They were out here. So, and I also took this piece of metal right here, and y'all saw us do that board, and we made them a good, little windbreak. And now they're up in there. We put some hay, and they're up in there in that hay. So I'm gonna give them some water real quick. Got them watered and was already back to the house. Couldn't find Skylar. You're lucky I found you. Goober. Alright, y'all. As soon as I broke up the chickens' water, they started drinking on it right away. You saw the pig did too, so they were thirsty. Whew, I'm gonna get in the house. Alright, y'all. Back in the house. It is crazy cold out there. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end this video now. Y'all stay tuned. We'll give y'all an update here in the next day or two how things go. But definitely Texas is, and all the South is dealing with cold weather that they're just not used to. And it's just crazy. It's 3 years in a row that we've had some really big cold fronts blow through, and this one's really early in the year too. So, all right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all again.